Morning, good people. Happy Friday. Memorial Day weekend. It's a beautiful day. It's storming, raining like crazy. We got thunderstorms. But we get some free water from good old Mother Nature. So we'll take it. Sun's supposed to come out later today. I wanted to give y'all a quick good morning shout out. Remind everybody that it's Memorial Day weekend. We need to recognize the reason for Memorial Day. It's not the time for you to go say thank you to a veteran. It's the time for you to remember all of those that we lost in combat. All of those that we lost in service. All of those that we lost making the sacrifices so all of us can be free. So I can say what I want on this YouTube. There's other countries that they don't even allow YouTube. So it's the time to remember all of those that we lost for service, for your freedom. Some of the freedoms that are trying to be taken away from you by politicians. Make sure you remember those people. I want to salute Goops. Rest in peace, brother. Salute all my people that I serve with. All the ones that y'all lost that you know. We're a large but small circle. There's not very many of us. We're less than 2% of the population. That's veterans I'm talking about. And pretty much every one of us knows somebody who died serving. We made it out, but they didn't. So this is the time to remember them. Make sure that if you know somebody who lost a person in service, make sure you reach out to them. Not only is this weekend rough on them, but every day is rough on them. Remember, that person's never coming back. This is not a video game where they only grieve in the moment and then it's all over and it's forgotten. No, that person is gone forever. So every time Memorial Day comes around, every time Veterans Day comes around, every time anything that reminds them of that person comes around, it's rough all over again. So remember those people. If you know them, give them a hug. Spend some time with them this weekend. Don't think this is just the opportunity to have a cookout, start summer. It's Memorial Day. There's a meaning to it. Make sure you understand the meaning and make sure you recognize that meaning when you're going through your weekend. Because that weekend is not free. That weekend costs a lot of people. The only reason you have this day off is because a whole lot of people died. So you could have this day off and so you could do all of the things that you're doing in this America. So we got thunderstorms this morning, but the garden is looking good. I got some new stuff planted. Let's see if I can show it to you without getting drenched. Got some new stuff planted last night. I was up planting until I ran out of light. So we'll get out there later, and I got some videos that I'm making. I had to move some things around, but that's the good thing about having containers. You can move stuff around as you need to. I'll put out a video later on that shows all the stuff that I planted. I recapped all of it, so there'll be another video coming showing all of that. But for now, I just wanted to say good morning. Happy Memorial Day weekend to everybody. Salute to everybody. Again, salute to Goops. Rest in peace, brother. Salute to all the rest of the ones out there that lost somebody. And we out. Y'all have a good Friday. If it's not raining where you are, make sure you put your hands on some dirt today, put a seed in it, give it some water, and watch that thing grow. All right, let's get up out of here.